After robot with brains, thinking ability and muscles, now we have a robot that is immortal. Imagine a robot that never needs to sleep, never needs a lunch break, and can work around the clock without ever running out of energy. That's Darwin 01, a humanoid robot that's changing the game for robotics and automation. Today, we're diving deep into what makes Darwin 01 so different from anything that's come before, how it stacks up against other pioneering robots, and why it's being called immortal in the world of AI robotics. Let's jump in. For years, robots have been impressive but limited. They could weld, lift or move items, but they always hit the same wall: downtime. Whether it was for charging, maintenance or swapping tools, robots needed humans to keep them going. Darwin 01 shatters that barrier. Unlike its predecessors, and just about every other robot out there, Darwin 01 is designed to operate endlessly thanks to its revolutionary, self-charging and self-swapping battery system. Imagine a robot that never needs to be plugged in or manually recharged. That's the technological leap we're witnessing right now. But Darwin 01 isn't just about staying powered up. It's a marvel of mobility, adaptability and intelligence. Let's break down what makes it special. Darwin 01, developed by Standard Robots in Shenzhen, doesn't look like your typical humanoid. Picture a sleek, slim, robotic torso mounted on a set of smart omnidirectional wheels, almost like a futuristic skateboard with arms. This unique design isn't just for show. Those wheels allow Darwin 01 to glide in any direction, zip through tight warehouse aisles at over 2 meters per second, and navigate spaces that would challenge most human workers. But the real magic is in its upper body. Darwin 01 packs 28 individual motors, giving its arms an incredible range of motion. It can bend, rotate, reach into awkward spaces, and even fold its arms back to duck under low obstacles. Need to lift something? No problem. Darwin 01 can handle up to 10 kilograms, plenty for most small parts, tools and boxes found on factory floors. One of Darwin 01's standout features is its ability to swap tools on the fly. Its wrist is engineered for quick changes, so it can go from using a gripper to pick up boxes to switching to a suction cup for lighter items in seconds. This means Darwin 01 isn't locked into a single task. It can adapt to whatever the job requires, making it far more versatile than traditional robots that need to be retooled or reprogrammed for new assignments. Darwin 01 isn't just strong and fast, it's smart. It uses a combination of sensors, laser scanners, depth cameras, and even radar to understand its surroundings. This sensor fusion lets it avoid obstacles, identify objects, and interact with its environment safely and efficiently. Whether it's dodging wires, maneuvering around walls, or figuring out how to pick up an oddly shaped item, Darwin 01 is always learning and adapting. And if a situation calls for even more precision, a human operator can take over remotely using a virtual reality headset. Thanks to a lightning-fast 5G connection, there's almost no delay, allowing for real-time control when needed, like placing a delicate part in a tight spot. Now, if you're amazed with this Chinese revolution, make sure to watch the video shown on your screen about the latest innovation of Boston Dynamics in their all-famous Atlas robot. Now let's talk about what really sets Darwin 01 apart: its power system. Traditional robots need to stop and recharge, but Darwin 01 can keep going. When its battery runs low, it can either dock itself at a charging station or, in its advanced version, automatically swap its battery using a special draw system. This means it can literally run for 12 hours straight, tested and proven without human help. And with the self-swapping battery option, there's no theoretical limit to how long it can operate. That's why people are calling it immortal. Darwin 01 isn't just a standalone marvel. It's built to plug right into existing factory systems. It can connect to manufacturing execution systems, warehouse management platforms, and the same networks that control other mobile robots. This means Darwin 01 can receive tasks, coordinate with other robots, hand off items, or even hitch a ride on an automated cart if something heavier comes along. It's designed to be a team player in the modern factory, not a lone wolf. Factories are full of obstacles, low-hanging rails, beams, and other infrastructure that hasn't changed in decades. Darwin 01's foldable torso is a clever answer to this problem. Its spine can fold down, letting its head drop below those old rails while staying stable and moving at full speed. This isn't just a flashy feature, it's a practical solution born from real-world experience on factory floors. Behind every smart robot is an even smarter brain. For Darwin 01, that's Deep Agent, a powerful AI tool that turns raw data into actionable insights. With Deep Agent, you can generate interactive dashboards, analyse performance, and optimise workflows, all with a simple prompt. It's not just about making the robot smarter, it's about making the entire operation more intelligent and efficient. Darwin 01 isn't alone in the race for robotic supremacy, but it's setting the pace. Let's look at what else is out there. Over in Guangzhou, GoMate is making waves with its dual-mode mobility. It can roll on 4 wheels like a rover, or pop up to walk on 2 wheels when the terrain gets tricky. Think of it as a Segway stretched into a humanoid form. Metro staff are already using GoMate for security and passenger assistance, and its solid-state battery means it's both safe and efficient. But while GoMate is impressive, its focus is more on public spaces and inspection duties, not the relentless industrial grind that Darwin 01 is built for. PepsiCo's Sapphire is another contender, serving as a humanoid spokesperson in stores across the US, Europe and Asia. It's certified for medical, radio and general safety standards, making it a global player. Sapphire can guide shoppers, answer questions and even crack jokes. Its real strength is in customer interaction and brand representation, not heavy lifting or factory work. Magicbot from Shanghai's Magic Labs brings something unique to the table: teamwork. These robots can collaborate, passing items between each other, playing football and working together without human intervention. Magicbot's adaptability makes it perfect for showrooms, malls and tourist hotspots, but again, its focus is different from Darwin 01's industrial mission. So what makes Darwin 01 truly stand out? It's the combination of endless operation, tool flexibility, advanced sensing, seamless integration, and real-world practicality. It's not just a robot that can work all day, it's a robot that can do many jobs, adapt to new tasks, and fit right into the systems factories already use. It's designed for the demands of modern industry, where downtime is money lost and flexibility is key. And while other robots are making headlines for their unique features, whether it's GoMate's dual-mode mobility, Sapphire's retail charm, or Magicbot's teamwork, Darwin 01 is quietly revolutionising the backbone of manufacturing and logistics. What we're seeing isn't just a few cool prototypes, this is the start of mass deployment. Analysts are predicting that by 2035, anywhere from 4 to 10 million humanoid robots could be shipped every year. With robots like Darwin 01 already meeting international certifications and integrating seamlessly into existing workflows, the barriers to adoption are falling fast. Factories, warehouses, hospitals, and even public spaces are starting to rely on robots not just as helpers, but as essential workers. The supply chains for batteries, motors, and drive units are already in place, thanks to the automotive industry. That means scaling up production is just a matter of time. The impact of Darwin 01 and its peers goes far beyond the factory floor. In metro stations, robots like GoMate are taking over security and passenger assistance. In supermarkets, Sapphire is guiding shoppers and boosting brands. In showrooms and museums, Magicbot is educating and entertaining visitors. The line between human and machine roles is blurring, and robots are becoming a normal part of daily life. But Darwin 01's immortality isn't just about endless power. It's about resilience, adaptability, and the ability to keep working no matter what. It's about a future where robots aren't just tools, they're teammates. Robots have evolved tremendously from their early beginnings as bulky, single-function machines that required constant human oversight to operate effectively. Back then, robots were limited in capability and flexibility, often confined to repetitive tasks in controlled environments. Today, with innovations like Darwin 01, we are witnessing a transformative leap into a new era of robotics. These advanced machines are designed not only to work alongside humans, but to adapt dynamically to changing needs and environments. They can operate autonomously for extended periods, far beyond typical human work shifts, thanks to features like self-charging and versatile tool use. The concept of an immortal robot, one that can keep functioning continuously without downtime, is no longer science fiction. It has become a tangible reality, already making a significant impact on factory floors worldwide, revolutionising how industries approach automation and productivity. If you ask us, this is very huge and big news for the robotic and AI industry, that we are finally reaching the point of not having to change batteries ourselves again and again. So what does this mean for us? It means more efficient factories, safer workplaces, and new opportunities for humans and robots to collaborate. It means a future where downtime is a thing of the past, and the only limit is our imagination. If you're as fascinated by this robotic revolution as I am, let me know what you think in the comments. How do you see robots like Darwin 01 changing the world? Would you trust an immortal robot with your job, your safety, or even your daily coffee run? The future is here, and it's rolling, lifting, and working right beside us. Don't forget to subscribe, hit like if you found this wild, and stay tuned for more deep dives into the world of AI and robotics. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.